Stable sorting versus unstable sorting. When will you call a sorting algorithm as stable and when will you call it as unstable? So a sorting algorithm is stable if it preserves the relative order of elements that are having equal keys or same keys. If your data set is something like this, 4, 3, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. If this is your data set and you want to sort it in ascending order, in that case, how will your sorted list look like? 1, 2, but for this third place, you have 3 different 3s that are competing. And which 3 should be selected first? This is where the difference comes between stable and unstable sorting. In case of stable sorting, whatever be the order of these 3 threes in your original list, the same should be followed in the sorted list. So the first 3, this should come here, then the second 3, then the third 3. See, it is quite difficult to understand it from this example because all are having the same values. So you can't differentiate between these. What I'll do is, we'll take tuples. So from that you can clearly differentiate which is the first one, which is the second one, which is the third one. We'll take an example of, let us say, mark list of different students. So you have many students and their respective marks. Let us say Sachin scored 90 marks, then Ricky scored 80 marks. Maybe then Virat also scored 90 marks. And the fourth student, Mike scored 80 marks. You want to arrange this list in the ascending order of marks, which means you have to arrange according to these numbers 90, 80, 90, 80. The problem here is there are 2 entries with the value 80 and 2 entries with the value 90. So the question is, which entry should be selected first in the sorted list? So you already know in the ascending order, the entries with value 80 is going to come first because 80 is smaller than 90. But should Ricky come first or should Mike come first? So in stable sorting, always Ricky should be preferred because Ricky is coming before Mike in the actual list, the original list that is given. And because of that, in your sorted list, Ricky should come before Mike. So Ricky comes before Mike. And then what about Sachin and Virat? Again, Sachin is coming before Virat in the original list, which means in your sorted list also, Sachin should be preferred. Sachin would come before Virat. So then Virat with 90. So this is called stable sorting. If you are having keys with the same value, then whatever is the original list, whatever is the order followed in the original list, the same should be kept in the sorted list as well. If this is guaranteed, then it is called stable sorting. So if you are using unstable sorting, it is not that always you will have opposite order or something, but you are not guaranteed. It depends on the luck. So you are not guaranteed of the actual order, then it is called unstable sorting. If you are having that guarantee, then it is stable sorting. So in sorting algorithms, we have many stable sorting algorithms, like bubble sort is a stable sorting algorithm. Then merge sort, this is also a stable algorithm. Insertion sort is also stable sorting algorithm. Similarly, if you are looking for unstable sort, you have quick sort is the which is unstable, heap sort is unstable, selection sort is unstable. So we'll go through all these sort techniques. So when we reach if you already have this basic idea of this concept, then you will easily be able to connect when we explain the algorithm that, okay, this is the algorithm, and because it works in this particular manner, it won't be able to guarantee that the order can be followed. So you'll be able to make this link and understand, okay, this is not stable, this one is stable. So that is why we had this lecture before we go into those algorithms.